Hello students, a very warm welcome to one and all present in the online teaching learning through Moodle platform. I am Rashmi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Life Skills. I will be engaging the classes of life skills in the coming semester. Students, life skills make your life smart. It is the fundamental attribute that will navigate your journey from campus to corporate. It means it will be helpful for your personal as well as professional growth. I believe you must be hearing for the first time life skills as a subject. You must have heard about physics, chemistry, history, geography, Hindi and other subjects as of now. Have you ever heard about the life skills as a subject? But we at Jharkhand Rai University, apart from imparting knowledge, we believe in nurturing and enhancing the skills of the student to make the student an ethical person, employable and successful in life. We try to inculcate etiquettes and manners, discipline, confidence, self-management, creativity, positive thinking, interpersonal skills, team building, communication skills and so on and so forth. The list is endless or infinite regarding skills. So let us understand. What is life skills, what is the learning objective of studying this subject and what is the importance of this subject in our day-to-day life. लाइफ स्किल्स का मतलब होता है जीवन कौशल, जीवन को कुशलता से जीने की कला, जीवन को कुशलता से जीने की कला लाइफ स्किल्स कहे जाते हैं. इंग्लिश में उसे हम लाइफ स्किल्स कहते हैं, हिंदी में उसे हम जीवन कौशल कहते हैं. तो कुशलता कैसे आती है स्टूडेंट्स? हाउ कैन यू लीड योर लाइफ सक्सेसफुली एंड हैप्पीली? व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द सक्सेस? The definition of the success is achieving your goal and having a very good life with a materialistic aim, with money, power, position, fame, name, recognition. And I believe each one of us want to have these all things in our life. So do you think knowledge enough will give you all these things? No. We need to have skills as well. Just to have the development of life skills, we need to have skills also. So life skills are the skills that enables an individual to adapt and deal effectively with the demands and challenges of life. It is a psychosocial competency that helps an individual to meet the challenges of everyday life effectively and efficiently in our personal as professional lives. It is a broad range of soft skills which often vary depending on our individual situations. It teaches how to successfully navigate the complexities of life. It equips an individual to thrive in the world. So students, the very purpose of this subject is to enhance your personal skills, knowledge, right attitude so that an individual develops an ethical person and has a better place in the society. It is the purpose, the importance of life skills teaching is to develop the academic self-concept, their feelings of competence and confidence as learners. They are beginning to develop decision-making, communication and life skills as well as character values. The knowledge, attitudes and skills that students acquire in the areas of academic, career, personal, social development during the elementary years serve as the foundation for future success in your school, community and also to be a global citizen. There are many such skills, but 10 core skills are very important for an individual, that is self-awareness, empathy, critical thinking, creative thinking, decision making, problem solving, effective communication, interpersonal relationship, coping with stress and coping with emotions. Let us understand the term skills. Life का मतलब तो आपने समझ गया कि life होता है. स्किल्स का क्या मतलब होता है ये आप समझें अच्छी तरह से कि स्किल्स क्या होता है. स्किल्स आर practiced ability, expertness or tactness. Skills are the abilities of a person to perform activities that an individual deems fit. Students, if you want to be successful in life, one must follow the ask principle, that is attitude, skill and knowledge. These three combined together will make you successful in life, but it should be on continuous basis. And that is, you have to form a habit. So any personal ability that helps an individual to cope with people's problems, situational changes or stress, it includes adaptability, creativity, critical thinking, decision making, emotional intelligence, listening, negotiation, relationship building and self-awareness. This is a checklist or the graph where you can analyze your skills at home, school and community. It means to say you have to enhance your skills at your personal level, at your social level as well as at your professional level. See, in this picture you can see how a person is rising up to the ladder. This is only possible through the life skills education. Knowledge only is not enough to give you a proper growth or a proper place in the society. You have to enhance your capabilities and you have to enlarge your choices as well. You have to build different dimensions of well-being, of self-image and self-worth, and this is only possible through the life skills education. The purpose of life skills is developing the positive attitude. The personal development skills starts from developing your thought process. If your thought process is positive, your words will be positive, your action will be positive, and your repeated action will make it a habit, and that will make your value. So it starts from your positive thinking. The personal development skill starts from your positive thinking, and it also help you to develop the ethics as well. You have to learn to communicate, you have to learn to speak, you have to understand English language, you have to be self-confident, you have to remove stage fear, learn job interview skills and other skills as well. It is the process of developing a social competence and problem solving skills. One has to weigh the pros and cons of the situation, act as a mediator to the problem, behavior. This is the 10 core life skills which I have already discussed. This is self-awareness. This is self-awareness, critical thinking, creative thinking, decision making, problem solving, effective communication, interpersonal relationships, coping with stress, coping with emotion. Life skills starts with communication, collaboration, technology and information media, decision making, problem solving, participation, negotiation, responsibility, innovation, creativity and critical thinking. Students will be discussing each skills in the regular classes. You need not worry about the skills. This is only an introductory classes where you are only getting information about the basic idea of the subject, their objective and its importance. What are the life skills that has to be learned in the college? That is discipline and motivation, multitasking, time management, budgeting time and money, working with others, note taking, etc. There's a difference between hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills is a degree or certificate. It is a computer programming is a soft skills. Soft skills are intangible, that it cannot be touched. You can feel it. Flexibility, leadership, teamwork, time management, these are the soft skills. Now let us come to the formal methods of greetings. Greetings is very important. A greeting is a simply way of saying hello to someone. In the English language, there are multiple ways in which we can do it. So formal greetings starts with good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night. In formal way, you say hello, how are you? You wish to your colleagues, your seniors, your peers. And informal way, you say what's up, howdy. These are the things, that is the informal method of greetings. So you can see whenever you meet someone, either you wish, and it is mandatory to wish in a organizational settings.